Hello, so we're going to have a look today at the Group 1 elements. Please make sure your phone is off, you've not got the TV on or any games to distract you, and you have a pen and paper or your booklet to take notes. Occasionally you may see this yellow banner appearing. At that time I want you to pause the video and complete the task. When you're ready, we shall begin. So, the Group 1 elements. Now they are found in the first column, that's the bit going down, of the periodic table. And because they are on the left-hand side of the periodic table, they are metals. And they're known as the alkali metals. We'll come on to that a bit more later. And they have some properties. They are relatively soft compared to other metals. So you can cut them with a knife. So that's very, very soft if you think about most metals. They have low melting and boiling points compared to other metals. They all have similar properties to each other, especially in how they react. And as we go down the group, we can see different patterns. So we see that the melting and boiling point gets lower and the reactivity increases. So here we have the Group 1 elements. We have lithium all the way down to francium. So lithium probably has the highest melting point and francium has the lowest melting point. So as we go down, the melting point decreases, as does the boiling point. However, as we go down the table as well, the reactions or the reactivity increases. They get more reactive. Now when we say reactive, we mean how they react with water. So we have lithium here. If we drop lithium into water, it starts fizzing a little bit. We drop sodium into water, it catches fire pretty quickly and whizzes around. What do you think happens if we drop potassium into water? So the next one down. That's correct. It explodes very, very vigorously. If we went down and looked at cesium, rubidium, francium, we would see even more vigorous reactions. Now, with these, when they react with water, we will produce hydrogen, which is a gas that is given off, and a metal hydroxide. This metal hydroxide is an alkali. This is why they're called the alkaline metals, because they produce a metal alkaline. And they get more reactive as we go down the group. So here we have the reaction with water, our word equation. We have lithium plus water will make lithium hydroxide and hydrogen. I'm going to write the balanced symbol below it, symbol equation below it. So first off, we have lithium and we have water, which is H2O. We'll make lithium hydroxide plus hydrogen, which is H2. At the moment, this isn't balanced because we have different amounts of elements on each side. For example, we have 2 hydrogens on this side, but we have 1, 2, 3 on this side. So to balance it, we're going to put a 2 in front of here, a 2 in front of here, and a 2 in front of here. What I would like you to do now is pause the video and write the equations for sodium and potassium with water. If you're feeling really good, you can write the balanced symbol equation for them as well. You should have now written your equations. We're going to have a look at our answers. So sodium plus water makes sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Our balanced symbol equation is 2Na, Na being the symbol for sodium, plus 2H2O will make 2NaOH, so 2 lots of sodium hydroxide, plus hydrogen, H2. For potassium, we have potassium plus water makes potassium hydroxide and hydrogen. Our balanced symbol equation is 2K, K being the symbol for potassium, plus 2H2O will make 2KOH, so 2 potassium hydroxide plus H2. Well done if you got those right. We now have some questions for you to complete. The first 3 questions are here. Please pause the video to answer the questions. You should have now completed these 3 questions. The answers are appearing on screen now. We now have the next 3 questions. Please pause the video to answer these questions. You can now mark your answers. We now have the final 2 questions for you to have a go at answering. Pause the video and write your answers. The answers are on screen now for you to mark. Well done if you got all answers correct. If there are any you didn't get correct, please go back and watch the video again to find out any areas where you may have struggled. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was informative. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.